Hi guys, today we will have a little bit unusual video. So it's really easy to get into the mindset of completing the world in a fastest possible manner and to optimize stuff, and maybe too much optimization may damage your gaming experience. Typically, when I'm playing either Clicker Heroes 1 or 2, I do like the graphic settings that are optimized for game performance, and I also disable sounds as when you play with the build that just zooms through the world, there are too many sounds to generate. And this time I play a little bit differently, so I have time to appreciate all the graphics that developers put inside the game. I have opportunity to enjoy the soundtrack, and I'm just taking it slow, playing casually, not really caring about the speed of completing zones. And that's something you can also try as well. It's a little bit like you would be playing the game for the very first time, exploring different pieces of it. Sometimes the game may even surprise you, like I didn't know what is the sound associated with clickables, for example the bonus energy clickable, and now I know. I know that I disabled sounds too quickly. So I decided it's time to take it slow, just relax, forget what I know about the game, and re-enjoy learning process. Playing slowly also gives you more decisions to make. You can micromanage your progress. It's also good to go back to the default settings every now and then, as the game is getting many updates, and some of the issues from the past, like performance issues related to fancy graphics, may be already solved. And I'll test it out, and maybe I'll keep those settings for longer. So if you have your sounds disabled or graphics reduced, I encourage you to try going back to the default settings. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.